And now, Diecast Discoveries on the Diecast Media Network.
Well, hey there folks, Chuck here, and I just got my Car Wars Companion thing in the mail. Wanted to do a quick unboxing of it. While I'm opening this, make sure you subscribe to the channel if you haven't already, and give this video a like, and check out our other stuff, because I've done several other videos on Car Wars, and we interviewed the guys from Steve Jackson, Randy and Jimmie. Randy, who kind of co-created the new version of Car Wars, and then when they did this crowdsource thing, I was eager to jump on it, and I'd show off the new set. It's very curious to see what you get. So here's the new weather dice that come with the set. It's very cool. They're all different colors. You got your, oh, that's interesting. So different climates, so you can have different climates for your game setting. That's very cool. I love the imagination that goes into this stuff, that it's, you're taking, cars like these and rebuilding them into post-apocalyptic war machines, and then finding fun stuff to do with them. I also got their official dice. So it's a set of 3 dice. So I know Dark Future uses 3 dice as well. I still haven't actually played the game yet, but I'm looking forward to finding some folks and getting a game going. So that's cool. And this is the new Scenarios, Variants and More book. Got some nice illustrations there. Some advice for making your own scenery, terrain, instructions for using the book, concrete barriers, barrels, wrecks. So, let's see, what does that say? Released as tokens in the rules box. So I've got the double ace box, so it's probably got those in there already. But you got some new hazards, camera bollards. I won't go through this page by page necessarily, because I don't want to give away all the secrets. But there's some new games: Cannonball Fun, Saturday Night Event, Happy Hippo gives drivers something new to worry about as old junkers recover from the wasteland are periodically hurled across the arena. Crews that perform well on the previous night can whip the crowd into a frenzy, encouraging their drivers to go above and beyond, or distracting their opposition to make a fateful mistake. So you got some track layouts. That's very cool. So, new ways to enjoy your 1/64 scale diecast, or the cars that come with it. I actually have that particular car on display on my wall of fame behind me on Diecast Breakdown. I've got a new little set behind me to show off stuff from all the different guests we've had on the show, which, if you haven't checked that out yet, please do. It's on your favorite podcast app or on the playlist associated with this channel. We talk to all sorts of people in the world of diecast, and we're going to be talking to Mike over at Gaslands in the near future, and maybe we'll find someone from Dark Future to come on. I'm sure they're still around. Just always looking for new ways for us to have fun with our 1/64 scale cars, and the folks at Steve Jackson Games have done a lot to revamp the old Car Wars game and make it more playable for us, and I think that we should all give them an opportunity to check them out, and thank them for thinking of us and making the game easier to play, a faster play, and a more entertaining way to use our 1/64 scale cars. So I'll link to them in the description down below, but I just wanted to show this off because it literally just came in the mail, and I think it's very cool and worth your time and worth checking out if you like post-apocalyptic games or just doing the cars custom. There's more than just one way to do post-apocalyptic Mad Max style cars now. So, as always, I want to thank our patrons for supporting the show. Please check out the other videos on this channel. It really helps get the show recognized if you watch them and like them, and share them with your friends if you find them useful. We're trying to post every day in 2024, and we're trying to raise 24,000 cars for drivendreams.org to give 24,000 brand new diecast cars to kids in need around the world. And you can find out more about that at drivendreams.org. All right, that's it for this one. Go check out some of the other videos. And as always, I want to thank you for coming along with us for the ride. So until next time, stay fresh, cheese bags.